Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Today I'm going to be covering an old favourite of ours that received a major update in the summer of 2019, introducing some new features that users have been requesting for a while, and that's Alfred 4. Alfred is an award-winning app for macOS which boosts your efficiency with hotkeys, keywords, text expansion and much more. We covered the updates to version 3 in two separate tutorials in 2017, shows 643 and 653, and in this video we're going to look at the added functionality that has been provided in the latest update. Okay, let's get to it. So Alfred is available directly from the alfredapp.com website, which is here now. On the homepage there are two links, one of them to download the application and one to buy the power pack. Now Alfred is free to download and use, however, if you want to have some extra functionality and really make the most of workflows and automation, you're going to want the power pack. Now this is £25 for a single user license, however, if you want the lifetime license, which covers all future upgrades, then you're looking at £45 at the time of recording. You can also upgrade your power pack if you have a previous version at a reduced cost. There's also a page dedicated to running through the differences in Alfred version 4, which you can see here and refer to as you like. For now though, I'm going to minimize Safari and invoke Alfred, and my shortcut for this is Option Space. And from here I want to look at the preferences within Alfred, so I'll start typing Alfred. And there are no other options for me here other than to press enter, and this will take me directly into the preferences section.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.